How to change your any other contact detail or your phone number on your Instagram profile just on your account from the browser or the main application if you're using it on your phone. Simply I will select Instagram on my browser and open it in front of me. That is my Instagram official website. Let me just click on that, and here I will sign into my account. As you can see, this is the home screen of my profile. To do the setting, I want to click on the more option here on the bottom of left bottom of screen, and then click on the setting of my Instagram account. Here there's a lot of things. I will scroll to the down, and in this section you will see a lot of setting, a lot of things, but what you have to mainly do is click on the account section on the top of your setting, and it will redirect you to your Instagram profile and password and personal details setting. Click on the personal details on your Meta account center, then click on the contact information. From this menu, you can simply change your phone number for your Facebook account, for your Instagram account, and then or any account linked to your Meta. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates, videos, and reviews like this.